Today, we're not just discussing a path, or forging one. The path of focused dominance. This is the one thing. Welcome to the Mindset Vault. You are drowning in noise. We are here to decode the signal. Now listen closely. We are giving you the keys to the kingdom. But you, and only you, must walk through the door. This analysis reinforces the source material. It does not replace the discipline of reading it. Let's begin. First, we're going to dismantle the prison you've unknowingly built around yourself. Section 1. The Great Illusion. I want you to take a hard look at your life. Really look. It's a calendar that's overflowing, the to-do list that never ends. You're in constant motion, right? It's a storm of activity. So tell me, why are you stuck in the same place you were last year? Why are you drowning in activity but absolutely starved for results? Well, it's because the world has sold you a fundamental lie. It's a poison you've been willingly drinking every single day. The lie is this: that activity equals accomplishment, that being busy is some kind of badge of honor. It's not. It's a symptom of a scattered mind, a mark of being unfocused. The 6 lies of success. Everything matters equally. Multitasking, a disciplined life. Willpower is always on call, a balanced life. Big is bad. These, my friend, are the bars of your cage. All right, now let's take a sledgehammer to the cornerstone of this prison. Section 2. The Lie of Equality. The lie sounds pretty reasonable, doesn't it? Your to-do list is a democracy where every item gets an equal vote. But the truth is a brutal monarchy. Only a few tasks are truly vital. Most of them are completely trivial. Your success is not a game of addition, of just piling on more tasks. No, it's a game of subtraction, of eliminating the noise until only the essential remains. And this isn't some business school theory. This is a law of the universe, like gravity. It's called the Pareto principle. And what it says is that the vast majority of your results, I am talking 80%, will come from a tiny minority of your efforts. Just 20%. This is the law of the vital few versus the trivial many. Look at this ratio, 80/20. This number governs your income, your health, your relationships, your entire life. And your failure to respect it is the very source of your stagnation. If you are serious about fixing this area of your life, hit the like button right now. Don't just sit there and consume this. Make a physical action. Show the algorithm, and more importantly, show your own subconscious that you are ready to change. Section 3. The Unstoppable Domino. Once you finally abandon that lie of equality, you can start to embrace a truth with immense power. You see, extraordinary results are never achieved by attacking on all fronts at once. That is a guaranteed path to failure. Success is sequential. It's a conquest. It's a single-file line of victories where one falls neatly after the other. And what starts as a simple linear progression, well, that soon ignites into a geometric explosion of power. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine a single domino, just 5 centimeters tall, barely 2 inches. A simple flick of your finger could knock it over. But here's the magic. That domino can knock over another one that's 1.5 times its size. This is how the chain reaction begins. Now let's fast forward. By the 23rd domino in this sequence, the piece you are now toppling is taller than the Eiffel Tower. The power from that first small focused push is escalating beyond anything you can imagine. And if we take it even further, by the 57th domino, that single focused action has built enough momentum to topple a piece that literally spans the distance from the Earth to the Moon. This is the kind of force you're ignoring every day. The power of lining up the right priority and focusing all your energy on that one next move. So how do you find that first critical domino? Every single day. We're going to give you the weapon you need. Section 4. The one question. Let's be clear. Your to-do list is not a tool for productivity. It is a trap. It's nothing more than a list of good intentions, not a roadmap to success. It actively encourages you to treat the trivial things with the same importance as the vital ones. The solution here is not to do more. The solution is to do less, but to do it with a precision that is almost surgical. The goal is to find the one single action that makes everything else either easier or completely unnecessary. And this is the master key. It's called the focusing question. You need to burn it into your mind. What is the one thing I can do such that by doing it, everything else will be easier or unnecessary? This single question will cut through all the fog of busyness. It forces you to identify your lead domino. This is the only compass you will ever need from this day forward. Section 5. Your new order. Now, what you've just heard is not a tip. It's not a tactic. This is a fundamental reordering of your reality. This knowledge isn't some new strategy you try out for a week and then forget about. No, this has to become your new operating system. It's how you process the world. It is the filter through which every choice, every action, and every single minute of your day must pass. We are building an archive of the most powerful mental models in history. If you want access to the rest of the vault, make sure you subscribe. Do not let this knowledge slip away. Time for simply watching is over. So here's the question for you today. Are you a passive observer, just a victim of the 1,000 trivial things that come your way? Or are you the active architect, deliberately lining up and toppling the one domino that truly matters? Be honest with yourself. Leave your answer in the comments below. We'll be watching.